Alright guys, how's it going? I do apologise for the background noise today. It's 80 mph winds outside and it's absolutely pissing a rain. I suppose it is Scotland after all. So this video was actually derived from a user question on Facebook. Essentially the user was having an issue selecting topology in edit mode, generally the back facing topology. Now in Blender 2.7 I believe this was called limit selection. So I'll show you the issue the user was having and then I'll show you a quick fix. So in traditional fashion, I'll delete the cube, I'll press Shift and A and I'll just add in a cylinder. I'll tab into edit mode, I'll press 1 to go into front orthographic and I'll press B to enable box selection and I'll select these top vertices. Now you would expect this to select all the points in the top, but you can see here it's only selected the first half in the viewport. So the only workaround I know for this at the moment is by enabling show x-ray. So you can come up here or you can press Alt and Z. You guys might have a better workflow. If you do, stick it in the comments down below. I would like to know a solution to this. So what I'll do here is I'll enable show wireframe, I'll drop the selection, I'll go back into front orthographic and I'll do the exact same. And this time we get the whole selection. And that's the only workaround I really know at the moment. Like I mentioned, if you have a better solution, put it in the comments down below. I really would like to know. And that's pretty much the end of the video. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You know what to do. Peace.